were driving in December, your father looking in the rearview mirror. He was crying, I remember. He said, oh, I gotta tell you, I was
minus na kami. See you in Jerusalem.
See you.
Saro lang po at
Boy, minus na kami.
Bye, ingat.
See you in Jerusalem.
Ikaw niyan? Ay.
Bye. Minus na kami.
Words hanging in the air now, with the cigarette smoke that you breathe out, tears falling in the sundown. What a day, oh God. Falling slowly, here we go. Heaven hold me with broken bones. Another night is done. Didn't need to run. They said no kissing on a Sunday, so we rented a room by a blue lake. Don't care what the town say, it's you and I, oh my. We were told to hate the way we love. All we've known is to never open up.
oh, I'm kind.
Falling slowly, here we
Biglang kind siya. Manong kind da si Max. Kind. Yes.
Another night is done.
Merry Christmas! Happy ka?
Happy.
Happy.
Ready ka na?
Ready ka na sa in between later?
Opo.
Yes. Magkataning na naman, same position na naman sa dua pati oh. Kung sa sa planta sa sa oo, sorry.
Sasusuway ko.
Pero ngunya na nga po. Hi man ang si Jenard.
Catch your eye as you see
Wala ka lang kalatay latoy. Ano man yan?
just smile,
Yung manggira. Si Jenard manggira rin topic. Agda daw magkarape mano. Kung ika ma-endorse ki kape, paano ang pandok mo? Hoktuwa.
Hindi mo ka to. Makakasuwa mo ito.
Iyo.
Nag-ipo pa siyang coin.
Pancho. Ano yan? Kahoy. Uy, tabi mo. Kuya. Kuya, may kahoy oh. Tabi mo. Yan. Maulan kasi nung mga nakaraang araw. So, medyo yung dumi ng dagat, natural naman yan. Di naman sobrang dumi talaga, pero sobrang ganda pa rin. Sobrang ganda pa rin ng Beata. Santa Magdalena, Diyos ko, ba't ganito kakaganda? Yan, safe naman yung mga bata dyan. Nandyan si Kuya, binabantayan si Juancho. Yan, tsaka si Babo. Kasama din natin si Ate Casey. So, yun. Swimming muna yung mga bata. Siyempre, punta natin yung mga dito. Ayun. Yun sila. Busy. As usual, nakaupo na naman silang lahat.
Yan, Z.
Ayan. Kumusta biyahe?
Pagal?
Pagal? Nag-drive ka ba?
Patry magsuot ako. Tagalog ba tayo?
Ika, kumusta ang biyahe?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Uy, ayos yung t-shirt mo ah.
Bounce back.
Bounce back. Nice one. Shout out. Bounce back. May mancha na.
Ngayon, alaw.
Baka naman.
I remember when you hid inside my suitcase the night before my flight. When your laugh gave you away, you cried for me to stay. I will comfort you no matter where you hide. Are you scared of falling down a well? It's not strange to have a fear you'd never tell. Just remember to be brave, and in the moments you're afraid, it's that fear that lets you know that you're alive. Before you close your eyes to sleep, you should know I plan to keep every little part of you gets the best of me.
Morning.
Please slow down. Time wait up for me.
Kain na tayo? Let's go.
Tell me what it's like to be in love.
Kinuha na namin yung
Is he more or less the
Beach Hut
boy you
2.
thought he was?
kasi maulan kagabi.
Well, let me
si
tell
Mama
you this
doon
before
natulog
you
kagabi
lean in for the
dyan.
kiss.
Ako dito sa
He'll be
may
lucky
papat.
if he gets to know
Yung
your
mga bata,
mind.
dito sila
Before you
natulog sa tent.
close your eyes to
Si
sleep,
Nongnong Fox saka si Nongnong Jim doon. Si
you should
Sian,
know I
gusto niya kasi lagi natutulog sa hammock. So ayan, nag-set up siya ng hammock dyan sa gitna. So ayun, yan yung tulugan namin. Dito naman sa kabila, dito kami nagluluto, dito kami kagabi tumambay. Ayan, nandun pa rin sa taas sina Chef Jan, tsaka sina Mads. Ayan, si Ate Casey. Ate Casey, hello. Good morning.
When you rode like me, you'll be surprised.
Dito si Chano sa taas sa tulog, tsaka sina Chef Jan. Ayan.
So be
Ayun.
kind to your heart.
Medyo late na kami nagising ni Mama kasi
Let our love for you go with you
maulan,
as you fly.
malamig. So, sarap matulog. Kaya, sina Chano, lalaro na, kasama sina Babu. Ayan, may mga ibang guest na din dito sa tabing dagat. Marami na, may mga kasama na tayo. Pero ayan, sobrang ganda pa rin ng dagat. Hi, Wancho. Good morning. Kakain na tayo? Yes. At habang kumakain kami, bigla kami kinailangang huminto sa pagsushoot. May nangyari kasing sitwasyon na kinailangan naming unahin. Pinili naming unahin ang kaligtasan ng lahat bago ang anuman. Lagi nating tatandaan na higit sa kahit anong adventure, mahalaga pa rin ang seguridad at buhay ng bawat isa. Pasensya na kung naputol ang vlog, pero sana ay patuloy kayong sumuporta at abangan ang susunod naming mga kwento.
Slow to my feelings, leave the smoke or I stay. Sing